In today's energy markets, the focus is on WTI, the big mover today, up better than 3.5%. We can see this rally continue as, again, the dynamics of the equity markets, I think, rallying is helping to support the commodity space and crude in general. And also there's tariff talk and the fact that there might be some movement there, and China looks like they might be initiating some imports over the next couple of years. That broke today. That might change the dynamic, and I think oil is benefiting from that as well. So we see WTI now up on the highs of the year, right around the 53.85 level. I do want to point out that we are in the roll process, so you're looking at the volume now rolling from February to March, and there's about a 25-cent spread between the Feb and March future. However, once again, though, both the Feb and March futures are seeing 2019 highs as we move to the end of today. Looking at another couple of things that were newsworthy today, certainly OPEC news continues to be in the markets, and when you see what's going on there, it does look like, at least to this point, that OPEC, Saudi Arabia and their countries, and Russia, are going to adhere to their production cuts, and they're looking for more visibility there. They're trying to make sure that certainly that those production cuts are highlighted and that they're being adhered to as far as a compliance standpoint, and the market is viewing that as a positive here short term. Also, we got some information today from the International Energy Agency, the IEA, and they're basically an overseer of the crude markets as a global presence, and certainly some of the news items that they were looking at today were the fact that they continue to see the markets rebalancing in 2019, and with that, it might not be as quickly as what the markets had anticipated with some of these production cuts, but certainly they are seeing the markets rebalancing in 2019. That could be keeping oil bid here, as well as some of the other dynamics as they're looking at the U.S., and the U.S. continues to expand its leadership role in the crude platform. And when you see what's going on here with production getting up towards 12 million barrels per day, again, the U.S. leadership in that department is also being factored into the dynamics of the crude pricing, particularly when you look at WTI, up more on a percentage basis than Brent today.